Fixing the F1 TV Pro Auto Renew won't turn off error takes less than 60 seconds when you apply these simple steps. This recurring subscription billing glitch happens when corrupt browser cache blocks your account settings from communicating with payment servers. To fix this problem instantly, log out of your F1 TV account and clear your browser cookies to erase corrupted session data. Once cleared, log back in and try toggling auto renew off again. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in platform billing sync, which brings us to method 2. Open your mobile app store subscriptions menu directly because third-party store management overrides main web server locks. If the toggle remains grayed out, method 3 requires adding a temporary alternate payment method to unlock your billing options so you can remove the primary card completely. Finally, if those steps fail, launching your desktop browser in private incognito mode executes a clean session state that applies the billing workaround without all data interference. Following these exact steps guarantees your F1 TV Pro membership cancels successfully without unwanted future billing charges.